All right, so today we're going to unbox a Squire bass. Bass player friend of mine, I have a couple basses myself, but a bass player friend of mine says that he really likes the Squire bass. He says it's one of his favorites. So this is it, brand new, got it in a box. Let's check it out. So once again, just got this probably within an hour. And so we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. This bass cost $250 basically from Sweetwater through Mike Soper. If you want to know, Mike Soper is a real good sales agent there at Sweetwater. So if you haven't gone through Sweetwater yet, definitely get in touch with Mike Soper. So I have a little trouble cutting through this tape here. There we go. Okay, got her open. And there she is. And another box internally here. So let's pull that baby out. Get rid of that box. Packaging. All right, here she is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this guy open here up top here. There are many affordable instruments nowadays. It's really quite unbelievable. You could get a great guitar for half the price from Schecter. Schecter has these guitars right now that are so great. You could get a $1,000 guitar and they're like equivalent to a $2,000 to $3,000 guitar through Ibanez or somebody else like that. So these kind of instruments, they're getting better all the time. And what it is the factories like in Indonesia and places like that are state-of-the-art factories. They're every bit as good. So now some people are against the cheaper labor kind of thing, but that's how they do it. Cheaper labor. Also too, believe it or not, they could get woods that other people cannot. Like for instance, the Indonesian 777 gem from Ibanez is rosewood, where the Japanese version is not rosewood. And so you could get the Ibanez gem for I think $2,700 from Japan, or you can get the other version I think is about $1,900 from Indonesia. And I read a review where the guy said he liked the Indonesia one better. So here she is. We're going to plug it in here. I'm running through my Bogner amp here. Don't have a bass amp on hand right now. Mine is loaned out, so we're just going to run through the Bogner on a clean channel. Here I got a tuner here, so it's got some wrapping around the tuning pegs, I guess show that it's new. So here I'm going to grab a pick here. Let's crank this baby up and see what it sounds like. So just needs a quick little tuning. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, this tuner's out. Let me grab another one. All right, here we go. I guess the battery wore out on that tuner. I was not aware. Okay, they loosened the strings out about 1.5 steps, so that's cool. All right, there we go. Oh, getting a little bit of noise from this fan. Let me cut that baby out. Sorry about that. All right. All right, so I'm tuning it up right now. Like I say, each string's down about 1.5 steps. Already the resonance in this thing is really good. I can already hear it, the resonation is pretty good. I can feel it. So once again, a $250 bass. It's the Squire P bass. Once again from Sweetwater. All right, there she is, all tuned up. So let's go ahead. Now, so you got the two knobs here are for the two pickups. This volume knob is for this one. This volume knob is for this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and crank them both up all the way. Okay, the reason why I stumbled there for a little bit is the action is a little high. The action's a little high. You could easily set that up here. You got tools. Here's the tool packet that fell out of it. So I can easily set that up. Let's take a look at the neck here. Let's see how straight that is. Oh, the neck could use a little adjustment. Neck could use a little adjustment. You probably can't see it through there, you know. Yeah, the neck looks like it needs a little adjustment. The action needs a little bit of adjustment, but that's why I kind of stumbled through it. I'm used to this hammer bass here. I have this set up really nice. The action's really low on this hammer 5-string, but listen to the sound. Fender P bass unboxed. Pretty good, pretty good. Once again, I'll go ahead and adjust it out. I just wanted to show you guys straight out of the box. There it is. Have a great day. Subscribe to my channel.